Honey-Hoisin honey pork ribs. Let's go with a delicious recipe. Don't be a bore. Don't be bored with people eating the same stuff every time. So this is what you can do with these beautiful ribs. A hoisin honey pork ribs. Let's create. So I have a cast iron, or you can use any oven-friendly container. Got my ribs, oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't need to put salt or anything like that because this salt is going to be in the rub that I'm going to put later. And the honey is going to add the sweetness. So let's get this stuff started. So let's prepare the rub. I have about 4 or 5 teeth of chopped garlic. I also have about a teaspoon of minced fresh ginger. This is a couple notches above medium. I have some soy sauce, about 1/4 cup. I have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I have some honey. This honey is 1/2 cup, okay? This is good stuff, by the way. So I have a 1/2 cup. This rub is going to be fantastic. I also have, I say about 1/3 of a cup of hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce. And I have some sesame oil. I'm going to put a few drops, okay? And I say about maybe a teaspoon. Give it some aromatics and character. And I'm going to prepare this baby as my ribs continue cooking in the oven. This is not going to take a long time, by the way. So I reduce the heat to low because I don't want the thing to go up. That's why I also have a wooden spoon to keep everything on check. So I say about, it's going to take about total 5 to 6 minutes and it's going to be ready, okay? Then you let it cool for a couple minutes, okay? So I transferred the glaze to a container. I still have some here, so I might use that one. But I transferred, okay? These ribs have been cooking for about 50 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start rubbing the baby, okay? And you're going to be generous with the rub, okay? Rub this baby. Give it that flavor and that character. This is the first layer too, okay? So what I'm going to do after the first layer, I'm going to put it back in, let it cook for about 5 minutes, and repeat the process, okay? About 5 minutes later, let me put some more, okay? Going to be generous. And then I'm going to put it again for another 5 minutes. And repeat the process one more time, okay? Now comes the last rub, okay? Be very generous with this one. And then you put it back in and let it go for another 10 minutes and you're going to be done, okay? Look at this baby. Look at this baby. Look at these babies. Took about an hour and 10 minutes, okay, to do it right. And here we have it. And I like to eat it with a side of jasmine rice and some baby boy choice. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. Look at this beauty. Nice and tender.